Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and I'm sorry this isn't going to be a Reborn related video. It's going to be related to Animal Crossing. If you guys don't know what it is a game series that is pretty popular right now, but it's like super cute and whatnot, and I actually have it over here. You can kind of see it. So yeah. I'm sorry if you're interested in Reborns only, you can stay tuned to the next video, but if you are interested in Animal Crossing, I ordered 10 of the mystery eggs from Japan like a few weeks ago, and they just came, and I really wanted to open them on video because I've been watching a lot of unboxings on other channels and I thought they were super cute. So yeah, if you enjoy Animal Crossing, then I hope you stay tuned for this video. So yeah, let's get going. They sent me these cute little extras in there, so I just want to show you because they're super cute. But sorry if you hear this chair, it's like super loud, but okay, so I have 10. Altogether there's 20 possible characters, so I won't be getting all of them. Let's just see what we have. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first one here. I hope you guys can see. Let's see what the first one is. So that's what it looks like. And they are chocolate eggs. Which I will not be eating. Let's see if I can crack it. Oh, there we go, and it's a little capsule. Let's see who the first one is. Is it Mabel? Oh, I think it is. Okay, so first up we have Mabel. It's so cute. And it actually, everything is in Japanese. She has a little t-shirt. I feel like this isn't focusing well. So you do have to assemble them yourself. Ta-da! Oh no, not ta-da yet. There we go. She's so cute! Oh my gosh. So she has a little shirt in her hand. That is so adorable. Just gonna, oops, her down over there so we can see who we have already. And I guess I should say I'm really hoping I get Rosie. That's one I really hope I get. KK Slider would be good. Isabel. Yeah, so those are the ones that I'm hoping for at least. Trying not to hope for too many because I only have 10. Alright, who's it gonna be? Oh, is this Fauna, I think? Okay, I want to say this is Fauna, but I could be wrong. Oh, she was easy to put together. Oh, she's cute too. She has a little ice cream cone. Okay. Oh! Oh, it's so cute! I got Timmy and Tommy! I didn't know they came together. That's so cute! Oh my gosh! Okay, so I feel lucky so far. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! I feel so lucky. I haven't seen anyone get Timmy and Tommy with the unboxing videos that I've watched, so oh, that's so cute. Okay, so that's good. No duplicates so far. Right. See who's next. Please be Rosie. That one opens smoothly. Alright. Please be Rosie. Oh! A new character. Okay, this one is... Oh, Apollo! Okay. So we have Apollo here. Alright, so there's Apollo. Super cute as well. Alright, so far, so good. Okay. I also would like to get stitches too, but... Alright. It is... Oh! New character! Okay, sorry, my camera stopped recording, but... so this is apparently Fang. I'm not like super familiar with every single villager, but yeah, this is Fang. Let's see how to set. I think it's a her. It looks like she has some makeup going on there. Oh, it's pretty cute. Just leaning on a suitcase. I'm so sorry the camera doesn't want to focus too well. Alright, so the collection's looking good so far. Come on, let this be Rosie. Let's see who it is. Oh, this one feels really melted. Alright, who's it gonna be? Ooh! Well, it looks like we have Julian, which is one that I didn't know too well of, but looks super cute. So I'm pretty sure it's a he, but he's so cute. He has a little conch up to his ear like he's talking on it. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Okay. Our collection's looking so cute so far. Alright, we have 4 left. We're over halfway through. Let's see. Okay, come on, Rosie! Oh no! Okay, that one was not a smooth break at all. It's not Rosie. It's Tom Nook! Okay, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really wanted him too, because let's be real, we all sell our souls to Tom Nook when we play Animal Crossing. Okay, so I don't know where it stopped. For some reason my camera keeps wanting to stop recording, but this is the cutest thing ever. It's a little Tom Nook and he has a money bag. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at that, guys. 7 and no duplicates. I feel so lucky. Okay. 3 left. 3 left. Okay, let's see who's gonna be next. Great. Let's see. Come on, Rosie. Oh, it's a new character. This is Hamlet. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. No, funny, I thought he felt bulky, but he's like the smallest one so far. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. This is so tiny. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. 8 and no duplicates so far. That's so crazy. Alright guys, 2 left. No Rosie so far. Okay, try not to panic. Let's see who's number 8. I mean number 9. Can't even count right. Let's see who's number 9. Okay, nice smooth open. That's gotta be a good sign, right? Alright. Second to last one. Who's it gonna be? Ah, our first duplicate. That's okay, because Timmy and Tommy are adorable. I'm just gonna put them back in there for now, because I want to see who's in the last egg. Alright guys, last one. Who do you think it's gonna be? I'm hoping Rosie. But if not, I just hope it's not another duplicate. Alright. Okay, I don't know why it keeps stopping recording. I don't know where it stopped recording, but this is the last one, guys. This is the last one. You ready? Come on, Rosie.
It was at this moment Erin realized she did not get Rosie.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, it's Isabel! Okay, I am so okay with that. I am so okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, I can totally live with her being the last one. Like, who doesn't love her, right? It's so cute. Okay. So, all in all, we only had one duplicate. That is crazy. I've seen people get so many duplicates, but I only got one. And those are the characters that I got. My favorites probably Timmy and Tommy, just because they're so cute. And then I got a duplicate of them, so that's cool. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might give it to somebody. Not sure yet. But yeah, those are the characters I got. Can't complain. Wish I did get Rosie, but that's okay. They're all very cute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't Reborn related, but I wanted to do other stuff other than Reborn stuff. But there will be more of that coming, I promise. But for now, I hope this was relaxing, and I hope you guys are all staying safe and doing well. And yeah, leave me down below if you are playing Animal Crossing New Horizons, and if you want to be friends or just tell me about your island or whatever. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Bye guys!